All right, welcome back to another episode of the Bubby Boys. Today we are doing Blow the Balloon by Water. So it looks like Ari is already over here struggling trying to blow a balloon, huh? Okay, it's a little hard for those little lungs to blow that balloon up, but don't worry, we got a solution for that because today we're gonna use water to blow these balloons. So all you guys are gonna need for this one is some baking soda, a funnel, some water, some citric acid, a balloon, a measuring spoon, and a tube. And we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Okay, so it says the first thing we gotta do is add 3/4 of water and 2 to 4 spoons of citric acid to the tube. So Aiden, you got your tube? All right, we got your tube right here. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is pour 3/4 of water. All right, so let me put yours in yours, Ari. You gotta hold it still, okay? And don't turn it over. All right, Aiden, so next we gotta get your 3/4 of water. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, bring me your cup, your test tube. Go ahead and pour your 3/4 of water in there.
You hold mine up.
Yeah, hold it up. That 3/4 fills the test tube up. We're gonna add 2 to 4 spoons of citric acid first. Okay. All right, guys, check it out. 1, 2, 3. All right, Aiden. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we gotta pour some baking soda into you guys' balloons. All right, fellas, get your balloons ready. We're gonna have to do 2 to 4 spoons of baking soda into the balloon. You wanna do yours first? All right, Aiden, hand me a funnel. Get me a funnel up inside this balloon. All right, we're funneled in. Now we need baking soda. Here you go, Aiden, give me some baking soda. Here. I need 2 to 4 spoons inside of this.
So that equals 3?
Yeah, just give me 3. All right, now we gotta get that down up inside the balloon. Let me see the spoon here. Let's see if we can make sure that goes down inside the balloon. Okay, all right, we got your balloon filled with baking soda. Hold on to your balloon, good sir. All right, Aiden, give me 3 spoons of baking soda in there.
Okay. I want you to do mine.
I will.
3.
Okay. Aiden's flowed right in there. All right, hold your balloon, sir. All right, you guys got your balloons full of baking soda? So it says, put the balloons over the mouth of the tube, then pour the baking soda of the balloon into the tube. What we're gonna do is put the balloon here over the tube. All right, you guys saw that? All right, now let's take this off. Since we've got all our mixture together in a safe environment.
Very careful, people, be very careful. Whoa!
Whoa! Don't touch it, Ari.
It's still going through the chain reaction. Oh! Milk!
Whoa.
Oh. Just a little.
We've got a chemical reaction.
A chain reaction.
Whoa. All right, Aiden, let's get yours done next. All right, so ours is done. Aiden, we're gonna go ahead and do your balloon now. Let's see how yours operates. All right, hold it still. She's gonna put the balloon over the edge. And now turn over the baking soda. Turn over the baking soda. Oh no, chemical reaction. Back your hands up, Aiden. Whoa.
Some are baking soda fall out, so it's not as big as ours.
Oh, okay. Well, it still blew up. Hold the balloon straight up and you get a better reaction. Oh, we've got a chemical composition going on here.
There's so much water flowing through there.
Yeah, you can see all those chemicals reacting on it. Cool stuff, man. That was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, that one was a fun one.
In the balloon state, in my mind, I was hoping it would fill up so much it would explode.
We don't want an explosion. All right, that was awesome. So it says baking soda reacts with citric acid to produce large amounts of carbon dioxide. The accumulation of gas will blow up the balloon. So it was the gas that actually blew up these balloons, and that chemical reaction is still going on over there.
It kind of looks like Sprite bubbling.
Yeah, it does look kind of like a Sprite. All right, we'll see you guys next time.